I'm Marie. Welcome back to those who've been to my channel before, and welcome to those who are here for the first time. This right here is what we consider a slow juicer. Is a AMZCHEF GM3001. I'm just going to show you how quickly and how simple it is to attach the meat grinder attachment. You can buy this attachment separately, or you can buy it with the juicer. Of course, when you buy it with the juicer, it's additional money. So I'm putting that in. I'm putting the blade in. 3 blades come with this. And now I'm putting on the grinder disc. 4 of these come with it. 4 of them, different sizes. Make sure it's tight. Squeeze the button. Put it on. You can put it that way, or you can put it this way. Either way you want to put it. And then this is what you call the pusher, to push the meat in the grinder. It also comes with 3 meat stuffers. You actually put the casing on the end, and then you attach it to here, and then you could make sausage or any type of links, beef links, if you want. To detach it, you just push the button on the side. Let me move this so you can see. Attach the button on the side, push it, pull it out. Push the button. And it's back in the juicer stage. That's it. And this is the pusher for the juicer. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, that would be greatly appreciated. Until next time, be kind to others, and just as important, be kind to yourself.